Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Razr Fold, and let me share with you how to activate automatic software updates on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we need to scroll down and find the option System Updates. Let's tap on it. Here we've got something which is called Smart Updates, and to be honest, it should be turned on by default by the developer, but if for some reason you do not have it turned on, all you need to do is to tap on the switcher, and here we will be transferred to management of the Smart Updates. So basically we can choose the start time, because and the whole idea of this feature is that your device will not only check for the updates, but also it will install it at night. So that's why we can choose from 1 to 3, 2 to 4, 3 to 5, or we can set a custom time, which is great because everything will happen in the background at night, and you will wake up to a brand new phone, brand new system, or with some kind of small patches. So we can choose the time. I will pick 3 to 5. You can also decide whether you want to apply it to all software updates, so also the kind of small patches that will not really change the system a lot, but they are important. So highly recommend to simply turn this option on too. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.